May tsansa po bang hindi magtagumpay ang reklamo?
Mm. So as a litigator, no, I know yung chances of winning or losing, pero dito parang parang ang hirap naman for the Committee on Justice not to find the sufficiency in form of substance. Yung ebidensyang nakapaloob sa impeachment complaint, galing din sa kanila eh. Mapapansin mo yung third impeachment complaint, a big portion doon, yung mga ebidensya, yung mga testimonya, na illicit yun eh during the Quadcom hearing. So parang babaliktad, parang magbabaliktad ba yung opinion ng House where they impeached the Vice President last year but this time hindi nila gagawin. Parang parang hindi siya magandang mensahe for the same body to impeach the Vice President last year and not to impeach her when pareho naman yung grounds na nakapaloob sa impeachment complaint last year saka yung mga impeachment complaints this time around, Corina.